Welcome to our third video on Matlab. Today we will show how to use the polar plot function, and our example will be r squared equal 5 cosine 3 of t, and t ranges from 0 to 2 pi. We will use the following commands: linspace, polar, title, square root, absolute. First, let's test our commands. Linspace function generates linear space vectors. That means it gives direct control over the number of points. Here we will get 250 points. Let's draw a sine wave. As we can see, this is the sine wave we all know. Now let's test our polar command. Our polar command creates a polar coordinate plot of the angle t versus the value x. Okay, let's solve our equation. After clearing our workspace and command window, let's generate our points. We will have 200 points ranging from 0 to 2 pi, linearly spaced. Write CLC to clear our command window, then add a semicolon so we won't print these results. Our equation is r equals square root absolute 5 cosine 3t. Absolute here returns the absolute value of each element in array T. Using the polar function, we will get this graph.